Hi everybody, we are Team Fight Club and our project for ACM 2025 is called Event Bot. So let me talk a little bit about how we came up with this idea. So every time there's an event which is happening at Northeastern, we have to open Instagram and scroll endlessly through different club pages to find out which events are happening and which ones we want to attend to. And most of the times what I tend to do is like save some of the posts thinking, oh okay, let's attend it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and I just end up forgetting to attend those events. This turned out to be a very chaotic experience, so we try to bring together all the events happening into like one place so that it's more organized, and it also a feature to add those events to our Google Calendar so that we don't miss what's happening. So let me talk a bit about how we built it. For data collection, we used Instagram's official API to scrape data like post the images on the post, captions, hashtags, and metadata from authorized club accounts. And we also pulled in some data from the NEU events webpage to complement our Instagram's data as well. The next step was to make all of this unstructured data into a structured data. So we used like NLP pipelines to identify related events and make it into a structured JSON. The next step in this process was to build our RAG pipeline, for which we used Pinecone as our vector database, and we implemented RAG on top of it to retrieve relevant events and details. After this, we also created a small front end using Streamlit, and also made this Google Calendar integration feature using Google's OAuth. So let me show a quick demo of what our project actually does. So this is our Eventgram bot, and let me just try asking it some simple questions like tell me about some music auditions which are happening. So we've used Claude to give us this information, and so it gives us a gist about what are all the events which are happening, and then it also gives us links to the Instagram post, which redirects us to the actual post from which the data was extracted, and it also shows us the list of events, a list of detected events, and gives us a link to like schedule the add it to our Google Calendar. So let me just click on scheduling the event, and it also when I click on take it also redirects me to the Google Calendar, and this event is created on my personal calendar so that I can never miss an event. um, Let me try asking it some other questions like show me some celebration events, something like that. Yeah. So this has given me a list of events which are happening like Onam, Dasera, Janmashtami, etc., and also the link to its Instagram posts. Let me try clicking on one of these posts, and this is the actual post from which the data was retrieved. Let me click on schedule an event. So the event has been created, and let me open the Google Calendar to actually like see the event which has been created and scheduled. So this is the end of my demo. I would also like to share about the challenges which we faced when we were making this project. So the first challenge which we faced is with respect to this Instagram API. So Instagram doesn't allow us to scrape all the public creator profiles unless we actually get authorization from them. So this really limited how many club pages we could actually like gather data from. And the second challenge would be to make all of this unstructured data into structured data, which came from like different sources. So we had to experiment with OCR, NLP parsing, and regex based extraction to do this. So this is pretty much the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching.